bass, banging on that bass. Happy banging on, banging on, banging on that bass. Happy. M.I. Poppy J. This one they go hit replay. Cause I got that bounce to make them dance. Got me feeling like Juicy J. All my clothes are so fly. I shopping duty free. I got that new swag. Shout out Louis or Gucci P. Banging on that bass. Nigga, they can't kill my craze. 7/24/7. Me and my boys all up in the place. All them people trying to hate. Get that bullshit out of my face. Me and Poppy J be banging on that bass. I be banging on that bass. Banging on that bass. I be banging on that bass. Be banging on that bass. I be banging on that bass. Banging on that bass. I be banging on that bass.
This is about time, hitters got about on, putting you in your place. Bringing that heat away blazing, popping so amazing when the baby's on your face. Bang, bang, make it work like a rotor, make you work. Hit it, drop it low, you got the rock, that is for sure. They call me coffee. Give me that back in your D. Papa's gonna make me gaudy, make me naughty, make me ready. Yeah, you got bad bad, cause we run the whole town. Make you screaming, bring that bass.
Banging on that bass. Whoa. Banging on that bass. Happy banging on that bass. Happy banging on that bass. Banging on that bass. Go beyond my case.
They don't know their daddy. Confidence in their body. Forget that thing. We see the rotters. Their daddy.
911. I don't know. What? I don't know. You see? I knew that something was. I told you, your liver. Your liver.
Kafi, I'm coming to your dance school.
Your liver.
To come and.
You know where your liver did?
My liver. Not be here a day.
Your liver.
A day for you. Okay, so that song just now.
Yes, sir.
Give us gist.
The gist be say, I have waka pass in studio. I come and go.
Just hear beat. Now you enter.
I tell you.
So just go draw freestyle. You said write like 2 days.
No, I write not 2 days waiting. Now one night now.
Oh, one night. The one person make I write beats. Make I write rap. But I take like 1 week. So the one I say I've had 4 lines. What's wrong with you? 1 week. Oh.
Now my husband now I say no. Now he be producer. So he get waiting call and drummer boy project. So he just say okay, you want to gather some artists. So that he go to show his skill on top drum, like drum artist, that kind idea, parole like that. Now so I hear beat for studio.
From there you said just.
I can't hear the beat. The thing is about time. Haters gotta bow down. Okay, I see. I can't write. Haters gotta bow down. You understand? I know be like Terry G. Go to put.
Boy, they walk.
They walk. Watch out. I'm going to do something with Terry G very soon.
Very soon.
Terry G. I don't understand what's going to happen. Okay, we'll hire Drele.
Drele for your entire side.
Yes.
So, mono fight trouble.
Let's continue.
If you release the dragon. Back to that same AT with the talk. We know they know lyrics.
I tell you, the one way was pass. My bad, man. One way was pass. Nah, Return of the Mac. I never for Shita. I hear fashion.
That year.
When I say I'm ready to go, and I go, when I say I'm ready to go, more than it's sorry. They're gonna like this. When I say I'm no. This one, the one where I like now, they're gonna like this. He lied to me. You lied to me. That's not part two.
Now you lied to me.
I get it now. Only Fiesta they hear.
Fiesta.
I love my country.
No, but seriously. That's what with the bisha.
Yes.
You say, which one did now? I'm in love with the coco.
Excuse me. I heard that song one day. I said, what they talk? What's happened?
Nothing. Nobody knows what's in the
I just said, song does it go. Which one
is that second one again? Get that one again.
So, see now.
Different things
see,
now.
Nowadays, there's no need for
plenty lyrics and everything.
Bros, drop beat.
Just drop any beat. Any beat we did now.
We'll create hit now.
Now, Abi?
We have
okay, so as they plan for that one, we'll talk Ijoda.
The plan for it.
Just the plan for that one, then we'll talk Ijoda. Oh.
Hey!
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your girl Kafi. And Ogby, baby.
Cheers.
Huh.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I've got the Wheels of Steel.
Yeah.
DJ Easy Bitch.
Yeah.
Headache, 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 headache,
Mogwe,
headache,
Moya,
headache,
yeah.
headache,
Cheers.
headache, headache,
Eh.
headache,
Cheers.
Mogwe,
All right,
Moya,
now. Coffee. Yeah.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Hey.
Mama.
Cheers.
Ho.
Papa. Sister.
Mama.
Ho.
Cheers.
Headache,
Hey.
headache, headache,
Cheers.
Headache.
headache,
Papa.
headache. 1, 2, okay. Easy Bitch.
Ah, bello.
Okay.
You be shocked.
But some guys, we all this time club like headache.
Promo. We do promo. We do promo.
Yes.
Tell them to put it on blogs.
It don't popular.
It's finished.
We don't blow with that. Blow more original.
I did tell
Let's
you.
talk about this
Based
whole
on
thing.
spiritual.
Based on spiritual.
What's the name of our crew?
Yeah. We'll think about
Yeah.
it.
We
We'll
just think
never
about
experience.
any
We'll
name.
never
Just
experience.
give our never experience.
The way we are blow.
We have blow. It's something
Let's
like.
just we are blow
We
so
have,
well.
as in our blow not be here now.
Yeah. we are blow. We have changed the name of the word blow.
Blow.
Yes.
We don't. That word blow. Not like I'm again because
Yeah.
Boko boys.
Yeah, got the B-boys.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so we
got
are
the
now
B-boys.
wub.
Wobbler.
Wub.
Word.
Yeah, take blow from
You have to
behind.
call it with attitude.
Yeah,
Wobbler.
wobble.
Wobbler.
So anybody that's want to wobble right now,
Yeah.
it's that.
Check us out.
Yeah.
Wobbler.
Wobbler. You do a man that say hot tea out there.
Wobbler.
Wobbler.
Oh yeah, my brother. Ijoda.
All right, so this is your recent project now.
Yes, now.
On hand. So give us this gist about the whole thing.
The thing be say, it worry me. As I say, I dey do dance and fitness now.
Yes.
Some people just carry Zumba, they come scatter everywhere. You understand? Because
Yeah.
say our music don't they cross over every part of the world now.
Yes.
Now so our dancers supposed to be now. But as far I need to, concentrate on something where go make beneficial things happen for people's life.
True.
Apart from say, and say dance they very beneficial.
True.
The thing.
True.
As inside that this our professional that we are doing now, we have to be considering people. You understand me? You understand me?
Yes.
So doing this project,
Exactly.
Ijoda, it have double meaning.
Ijoda.
Ijoda is. You
You
are brilliant.
I'm someone that is a brilliant
You are a brilliant
They don't know my
somebody.
wordness. They don't know my wordness.
Oh, you are very wonderful.
Ijoda and Ijoda. You understand me now?
Where is dance? Dance is good.
Okay, true.
Ngwanu.
Ijoda. Dance is good.
Ijowada.
Ijowada.
Show me your
Show me
dance.
the dance.
Thank you. So in this dance thing, you have come and watch this devil. You see how people are doing different. They are following us to marry up and down the place. If
So
old
this
men, young woman, small
Fat
boy,
women.
slim, tall,
Slim woman.
short. You understand? It's a wonderful thing.
So basically, so now just to make sure, say everybody.
They fit. But say exercise they boring sometimes.
Yeah.
One,
One, two, three.
Sometimes if they drink tea, they do.
Yeah, now some people they make some people they scope chico.
They come make call.
Yeah, now some people
Yeah.
Yeah, that girl shall.
Exactly.
Different things they happen.
So and I know say for Africa we are entertainment lovers and we love to dance. See, naturally I don't see anybody for this country now. If
We
you,
love
if
dance
you put
like
DJ,
us.
this my brother now for
Yes.
road.
Yes.
Even Agbero go show you choreography.
Of course now.
You just be like saying Èmi láyé mi.
Some na blow.
Na so no na the attitude wey dey in house in dey take dance.
Yes. Based on attitude from
yeah, those one wey like chop like. You understand? Those one wey like fight like that. Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
Those one wey like to learn like that.
Now you dey learn. You dey calm down. They calm
They
down.
calm down. They no like wahala. You understand that kind of thing. So now the thing be that I say okay for Naija by Naija.
Yes.
You understand? Maybe we do something where we say we feel relate to for house for year. Another thing, I be want to do this in Tete, but I don't want to do the same thing where everybody they do abroad. And I don't want to say something where no fit say for UK, America, because we get Nigerians all over the world.
We won't really feel our own thing.
Our own thing. So I said instead of doing the same aerobic thing where we say don't they come on.
Yes.
May I do this where we say even in both self they say I want to learn this kind of thing.
True.
So that's why even the packaging itself, we have to go far, go do, no be allowed packaging, go do international.
We go feel cross Nigeria, just in case they see outside for somewhere like Italy.
Yes,
They say yes, this is an international brand.
Yes.
No, just a Nigeria brand.
We will not just we don't follow our own hand.
At all.
So when you watch Ijoda, you go learn the thing come sweet, be say the way you go take learn the routine, come funny. You get one routine where I call key mosquito.
Key mosquito. Yeah.
Yes, there's a routine
so
called...
it's still a Niger thing, no?
Yes, so...
Key mosquito.
Key mosquito.
Suffer yourself.
Yes.
Like
yes, that's what I say. So another dance now, Skelewu, Run Mad.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? God can help me say, I don't help plenty artists for this country. And so I tell someone, say, let me help you.
Exactly.
Give you my music, you have come and use it
to do
it. So they have given me permission and say, oh yeah, you're my sister.
Very important to permission.
So that tomorrow no call me say
why you use my song, a copyright thing.
But at the end on the end of the day, they have come and say, this thing have come and promote me, because if I teach you routine now, I use Skelewu teach you routine. Anywhere you go in the world, now Skelewu you go download.
And they will not say, yes, this one, this particular artist, now get song.
Now get the song. So I promote them for inside the DVD. Say, you see this song when I the year so now so person singer for Africa.
Yes.
And the song said you go the final to do so. I didn't.
Because you go they sweet you.
Yes.
So you go for your house, you go don't want to even play the song normally to say, okay, that's what can teach me.
Yes.
It's like this.
So at least the kind of business where they do with them, no be the type we not even they help. The artist again, they help our music, they help our dance.
They help everybody. So as you they gain, people say when they fix they gain, the artists they say when they use the song they gain. Okay, so this one are two different types now.
Yes, this one are the deluxe extended version. This one get more things inside. The inside this one are people we learn the things where they inside this DVD now. You get some prizes. We get one of the routine where I no teach. We just performer. Because anybody we feel learner.
Yes.
We get something for them.
Okay.
We could just upload them. Say, we don't learn them on our version be this.
Okay.
Where they say.
So this one get better package.
Plenty things there inside.
Then this one now.
This one get almost everything where this one get, but you know say this one get.
You know can get that other VIP things with the inside with the so you are just a normal. Is there a VIP?
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
But how do we get this?
Right now, a lot of distribution channel now they try do now so that it will be available. Right now, they on Conga first. Anybody will go to Conga site, they fit, ask for her.
Niger Dance Burnout by Kafi.
With Joda. Once they type with Joda, they go see her.
Okay.
So we they do Jumia.
Okay.
We they do GTB, SME Hub. They open for there as well.
Okay.
I they talk to Alaba for distribution. One of the marketers, Tijo, we go help make it there almost everywhere. I know if you work everywhere. I go face.
But because before we even mention all this one, people go on define say okay, they don't forget that. For like your Twitter handle,
yes,
the information did there.
Informate did there.
How do you your reach am?
Yes.
Okay, so how do you meet you on Twitter?
My Twitter handle na KAFOY dance pẹ̀lú Queen.
So Kafi dance Queen. Okay, they for screen there.
Yes.
So for those of now we need the CD, not on a begging P. Uncle, give me one. Nothing. Support the ministry.
Yes.
What's wrong with you?
Therefore, Instagram, if they want follow activity, like right now, I dey on tour. I dey go for different area. I not just want sell the CD for you. I want make you experience her with
me. One hand.
One hand.
And so you don't even do tour for that country.
I don't do UK and US last year. Now the thing what makes them the demand.
Demand for the thing.
God allow me to do the.
Hey, Kafi don't blow.
Amen.
Wobble.
No, wobble.
Wobble. What's in our name again?
Wobble. We never form
our original later.
Wobble.
Okay.
So right now, as it is, so I do tour. So I go. We don't do campus Lagos Island. Right now, we go Police College.
Okay.
Next week Saturday. We supposed to do stadium this Saturday, but environmental things.
Things go worry things somehow.
Go worry na early morning. No fit dey work out for sun. So we dey go campus Police College next week. From there, we dey go. Unilag Sport Complex.
Okay, so but
like that we just get once they done they follow all those information.
They follow the things like that.
They
even other states go soon follow too.
Yes,
back to
we
back.
Get Warri, Benin, Owerri, Enugu.
Wanna watch out? Kafi they take over the full nation. You understand? Now company things not be crew.
On top that level where they talk before.
Yeah.
Part of the thing where they make me. They say they worry. I also try to create solution for them. Apart from say I get company, I try create plenty platform where we say people will want dance, go get information and awareness, then networking on top. Say this dance, so I want to take calm, chop, build house, pension, all that kind of thing. So in July, I don't begin with a call dance workshop for people who want to take dance seriously, not be for beginners, but for intermediate and advanced learners. So no be say you must compulsory say you go down start they do
dance before that time.
If you just good, some people good for house.
Yeah, but for sometimes have house, for bedroom, back of house.
But they good.
Yes,
come, you understand? If you get crew, bring your crew. Now knowledge they can get. And if anybody there outstanding, I fit sign contract for them, bring them to the company. You understand that kind of thing. Then in August, that one a camp. You see this camp now. My mission for motivation and reformation. Because as I don't work with all these dancers and young people, I don't talk Mama finish. Yeah. Plenty
you know, even Mama said grandmother on top, because the ones the way you don't teach people and teach people.
God.
So you are now a mother of all nations.
Problem day. Nigerian youth, power day for their body.
And plenty no can get where to enter.
But they want go do things. So what they want use now use that camp as avenue. Call people where they notable. Can't talk to these people. You know, I tell some artists that they do can't talk to this. Maybe they see your story. Say no be you know easy, but you feel better. I call some professional bankers, businessmen. Can't discuss with this. How did they sign contract? What is the contract?
When they know all the area where they're supposed to. Not be just to go to perform or enter somewhere and go say I want to be artist or dancer or something.
All this kind of thing day on ground. July, August, I go down launch then by God's grace we go open 2 centers. One for the Maja side after VGC, another one for Ikeja, so that people go feed the so right now you see as
plenty work there on ground. Plenty work there on ground.
As I talk, I don't tire.
Oh, Coffee. Seriously, as you come here now, I'm feeling elevated. I'm feeling like I want to fly somewhere because I can fly.
I don't know. Voice not there, but now they head. I believe.
You go no. That na Boys to Men, no. Na Boys to Men. Yeah. It they help for the.
But I don't know. But people they stand like this, they sing that same thing. Why?
Na swag. Sometimes if you want swag the thing, maybe like Dari. They watching, they do audition for you now. And you just enter, just hold microphone.
Yeah.
That goes first shot. Say this guy
get this guy get
try. Maybe now okay, you can enter next to. After you
okay.
But now just swag, Just like say dance and enter stage now. Not like this. Na swag.
You never see the one where I see
intro.
Dancer come from Mortal Guinness to dance. If you see their name.
Oh shit.
If you hear the intro, their name first disqualify them. Awake of the dry bone.
Oh yeah.
I never heard that time before.
Awake of the dry bone.
How crazy take that name?
Awake of the dry bone.
Then when they come, they play this Undertaker soundtrack. Now they drag, they come. They use their 3 minutes where they supposed to take dance.
They do entry.
1 minute 30 seconds. They see the drag like like Evil Dead. They call the drag come. That's all of us do there like this. If you see the transition between that song
and the next thing they want
do. After the drag finish, they one they give me look attitude. Say, I'm going to show you today. You know what I'm saying? He drag, can't stand up, say, wow. Before you know it, I just saw, wait, you know what I'm saying?
After the gang,
you know what I'm saying?
So go tell her,
exactly.
How? From hip hop.
You can't be like, I give you bye.
Okay, don't do. Hey, don't worry me. Kafi, thank you very much for us talk on the show today.
In fact, I'm happy.
And we really appreciate your coming on the show because aside from saying, you don't really inspire. Yes. And for those of you who know, see, I'm hellier. I'm wearing Ijoda shirt and everything on a bling thing. I not to get chased like that. That's just wobble. You understand? So make I just chest out, make it for me like this.
Your crack rib, come.
I just want make I resemble these guys more now for the chase things. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I beg make sure say we go out and arrange our own copy. Just go for her Instagram page. Reach there and then you go get all the information we won't get onto how you go receive your own of this particular one. Receive it. Ijoda Niger Dance Burn Out by Kafi. You understand the DVD for the regular and the VIP. You reach there, you choose you want that apply to your life and everything. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Kafi, thank you very much. I appreciate you. And wish you plenty. This year, I saw those plans on the God will carry you go higher and higher. We're going to hear good things, and then your children then we're going to use how they look them until they are turned to superstar themselves.
Mega
superstar. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, I still the late night show, and of course we still on top of the level. No going anywhere. We is coming back, and of course we continue everything on top of the show. Well, we love you. Okay, una welcome back. Very, very, very inspirational day and danceful day and everything on top of the show for today. Once a biggest shout out to all of you we follow us day on top of the show today, and most especially to Kafi. Kafi, thank you very much. Say you follow us there on top of the whole level. Now don't hear how I'll take get to our own Ijoda CD. For those of now who want to work on ourselves, you know, you just want to reduce and everything. Just try everything. Make una feel see how. I don't know if you come on my jacket. If not, I just come out and say hand things there and everything ahead. So easy be the fly the thing, easy be the show, the CD and everything. So una just fit go there, just go our Instagram page, go there, just find out everything, how you go to get more information onto the whole level. Then from there, now go know how everything go take they go. All right. But from us for inside this place, also shout out to Rez, correct guy. We're doing in thing on top show yourself. Easy Beat. The show make enough brain. So biggest shout out to Easy Beat. And of course, my humble self. So we go see you now. Now, good night from us. Any information now get to talk about the whole show for today, go at W Late Night Show, reach there, give us the G. So Easy Beat, take it away. And then from there, we are round up on top of the show.